In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot notification profiles and presets with your team. Understanding how to efficiently manage notifications can really improve your team's workflow. So let's dive into this simple step-by-step guide. First, we need to start at the right place, which is the HubSpot homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and head to HubSpot's main site. It's the main hub where all your management tools and resources are centralized. Once you're on the home page, look up to the top right corner, and there you should see the login option. Click on this to enter your personal HubSpot credentials. Make sure you have them handy, as entering this information will grant you access to your account where all the magic happens. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home. This is your central dashboard where you get an overview of all the ongoing activities. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already, as it will serve as your starting point for any new task or setup. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and locate the Settings button. Clicking here takes you into a special setup zone. This area contains various controls that you'll use to tailor HubSpot to the specific needs of your team. When inside the Settings menu, the next place you want to go is Account Defaults. This is where you can adjust general preferences and defaults for your team's account. Click on it to further refine what notifications everyone will receive by default. In Account Defaults, you'll find an option for notification profiles. This is the final destination in our journey today. These profiles allow you to specify which notifications an individual or a group will get. Clicking on notification profiles will enable you to see existing profiles or create new ones. Speaking of new profiles, if you're looking to customize the notification settings or build a brand new profile for particular team roles or projects, you'll want to click on Create Notification Profile. This action opens up the opportunity to define exactly how and when your team gets notified. It makes sure everyone stays on top of their tasks without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. So there you have it, a streamlined approach to setting up your HubSpot notification profiles and presets. These steps should help you optimize communication within your team so everyone gets the right notifications at the right time. Remember, effective management of notifications can be a significant productivity booster for your team. Happy organizing, and thank you for tuning in.